A binary options trader firstly loses his money by being a beginner or by not knowing some strategy or not knowing the right way to trade. They lose their money firstly, and they search for lots of strategy and nothing works, and a scammer approaches and they trust that scammer and they send their hard-earned money to that scammer, and that scammer will scam them and they become doubtful, and then they find people like me who actually help their Telegram subscriber or their clan, their people to make money by copying trades, and they are not able to trust to the genuine people who actually can help them. For example, me. As you can see here, these are the copy trading result of one of my VIP copy trader who have copied all of these trade automatically in his account by using the social trading feature of pocket option. He haven't traded by himself, and it's like 23 days ago he have joined my VIP copy trading channel and he's able to make $10,452. And here you can notice I only make max and minimum trade of $200. He copies 100% of my trade and he makes $200 per trade automatically in his pocket option account. Now some of you may think like it is a fake thing, so I'll reload it so that you can be assured that what I'm showing you is the real stuff. And I want you to watch this video very carefully, and this video is actually made for my VIP copy trader to show them how actually copy trading works inside my VIP copy trading channel. Okay, so here you can see we are making profit on a continuous basis, continuously. So the all-time profit is $10,452, and yesterday's profit is $516. Max and minimum trade is same. This is extremely important thing. Okay, maximum and minimum trade should be the same amount. And today we haven't made any trade, so there is showing nothing. So guys, now I want to show you exactly how copy trading works in our VIP copy trading channel. And if you also want to join our VIP copy trading channel to copy this kind of profitable trades in your account automatically, then you can join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Just join that free Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can join our VIP copy trading channel. And once you have joined our VIP copy trading channel, then you will get a UID. So a UID looks like this. Okay, so let me show you. UID looks like this. Okay, so for example, let's copy this UID. This kind of UID you will see. Now you see you can copy any of these traders. Okay, you can copy anyone, but you will ultimately lose money because the maximum and minimum trade amount is always different. So here you can see they have 66% win rate. So there is a construction going on in my side, so that's why there will be some sound, so forgive me for that. Here you can see 66% of the trades are profitable, but if minimum trade is $1 and he made 20 trades right of $1, and if he then if he loses one trade of $558, you are in loss, but 20 trades were win of $1, that's why it will increase. So people get confused when they look at this winning percentage and they get excited and start to copy trade, but they will ultimately lose money. That is why I make only same amount per trade each time I make trade, $200 per trade, and you can literally copy from $2 to $200, any amount that you want by setting up the percentage, which I am going to show you now. Firstly, you log into your pocket option account and then click on social trading after joining my VIP copy trading channel, and then come here and click on search and copy paste my UID at here that you have got from my VIP copy trading channel, and you will see name like this, but this is not my name, I'm just showing you as an example. And then you click on here. Now you'll see this kind of interface. You will see max trade 200, minimum trade 200. You can see the yesterday's result, you can see the all-time result, you can do everything. Okay, here you can see in all-time 30,000 is lost from this account. So if you add copy this kind of account, then ultimately you would also go in loss. So once you come here, then just click on copy. Now listen to me carefully. Okay, so you are my VIP copy trader. I'm assuming you are my VIP copy trader already. Now don't put anything in this max copy trade amount because I make $200 per trade. So if you set up the exact percent 100%, then you will also copy $200 per trade, not more, not less. if you set up 50% ATR, then you will copy my $100 per trade, not more, not less. Okay, that's why it's not important to put any amount ATR. And minimum copy trade amount is $1. Don't touch it, leave it as it is. And for the stop balance, those VIP copy trader who have used stop balance in the past was not able to copy all of my trade. Okay, but still, if you want to use the stop balance and you have an $1,000 balance in your account and you just want to risk $200 in my copy trading, then you can put 800 here. So copying will stop if balance is less than 800. Okay, so whenever you lose $200, then you will stop to copy the trade. This is one thing, but I would suggest you to not put anything and just put one at here. And instead what you can do is, let's say you have $1,000 in your account and you just want to risk $200, then withdraw that $800 and leave $200 only in your account. That way you will copy all of my trade. Okay, that is extremely important, keep it in mind. Now in copy in proportion, this is the main thing. If you want to copy $200 per trade, make it 100%. If you want to copy $100 per trade, make it 50%. If you want to copy $2 per trade, make it 1%, because 1% of $200 is $2. Okay, if you want to make $4 per trade, then make it 2%. If you want to make $10 per trade, make it 5%. If you want to make $20 per trade, you make 10%. In this way you use this percentage copy in proportion. Okay, once you have done each and everything, then you can just simply click on confirm and you will start to copy my trades automatically in your account. And soon you will also start to see results like this. Don't forget to like this video. I'll see you inside my Telegram channel. Bye bye.